What's up, Peak Timers? 2019 Hot Wheels P-Case cars have been revealed. Let's have a look at the cars that are going to be included inside. And first up, we have two brand new castings, the Alpine A110 as well as the Aston Martin Vulcan we've been long awaiting for. Another long-awaited new casting, the Range Rover Velar, as well as a recolor of the Tesla Model 3. And next up, we have the Morris Mini, which will also be the super treasure hunt for the 2019 P-Case, as well as we got the 2016 Bugatti Chiron. We really can't get enough of these Bugattis. After that, we have the McLaren Senna in orange and the Audi RS5 Coupe. Then we've got a new color of the Ford Focus RS, as well as a white custom 2018 Ford Mustang GT, the Golf livery. We've got two Mustangs, the 67 Shelby GT500, as well as the 68 Mustang 2+2 Fastback. Next is two Batmobiles. We've got the Batman animated series, as well as the Dark Knight Batmobile. A couple of Japanese imports, the 2018 Honda Civic Type R, as well as the Mazda RX-7. A custom 58 Ford truck, as well as the Corvette Grand Sport. And we saw this one in the N case, the blue Tesla Model S, and we've got a new recolor police edition of the Porsche Panamera. A really cool looking art car, the Olds 442 W30 and Surf and Turf. We've got a couple of first responders, the Hot Wheels Rapid Responder, as well as Runway Rescue. Some neat looking fantasy car recolors with Roadster and Track Ripper. Some off-road vehicles, we've got Baja Hauler as well as Sandovar. Some exotic fantasy cars, Mach Speeder and Exotic. Some of the more interesting fantasy cars, Hologram and Skyboat. We've got some crazy beasts, Bot Wheels and Bogzilla. The future is now with Solar Reflex and El Viento. And last but certainly not least, we've got some cars with teeth. It's Croc Rod and T-Rex Troyer. Comment down below which car are you looking forward to most from the 2019 Hot Wheels P-Case. Make sure you subscribe and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye bye.